Yo, what up, squad? It's your boy C's once again, and I just made it to the event. It's kind of raining right now, so I'm not sure exactly how this all gonna pan out. But right now, I'm gonna go to the first station, which is the meet and greet, where I get to meet everyone and see who is who and see what we're gonna get ourselves involved in. All right, so strap up and let's go.
No comment, stand or sit right in front. So it's like, cut, we gotta do it again. I'm doing a bunch of B-roll. Yo, what up? Introduce yourself.
I'm Meg Fox, and I am barely awake right now.
Where can they find you, Meg Fox?
Oh my god, all over the place. Beantown, CrossFit, everywhere. Literally everywhere.
All right, peeps. We got Meg Fox. I just met her today, actually.
Yeah, we're like best friends already.
Best friends already. We're about to go to war right now. We don't know exactly what's in store for us.
It's a mystery.
But it's going to go down either way. And look who we got over here.
Hey!
Vixen, right?
Woo!
Look at her, guns out.
So media. Yeah, so great.
I know. And yo, flex on them real quick. There we go. Yeah.
No,
all right. So all that
you
flexing right now is not going to be that funny once this workout is over. All right. I'll keep you guys posted. Here we go.
That was good. That was hard. I really had to breathe and power through that.
Yeah, homie did a great job putting it together. The stations flowed perfectly. Look at the sweat, man. Sweat life. Vixen Army.
Woo!
Caesar life. The squad came out, represented. Good stuff all around. Yo. My man put together killer outdoor workout session. Tell the people where they can find you.
You can find me at Relentless Aggression SC at Instagram.
All right, my man. Thank you so much, man.
Thank you. Nice work for that.
Yeah, awesome. Meg, how was your workout?
I almost died. I'm a weightlifter.
Yo, those burpees, man, towards the end, right?
The last set.
Killed.
Kidding me? Who planned that?
He did. Yo, Max, what do you think about the venue so far?
I'm a little
and
bit
the
impressed.
event?
I'm a little impressed.
Yo, they literally pampering the shit out of us right now. And I don't know how to handle it, right?
I'm not complaining.
Right?
Yeah.
Usually when you sweat, you drink that post-workout shake, but look at this place, man. It's pretty sweet.
I love it. It's so good.
Check her out. Yo, so
Yeah.
bubbles to burpees.
Burpees to bubbling.
Burpees
We gotta
to
do
bubbling.
burpees first.
Burpees first
Yeah.
and then bubbles.
Yeah.
All right, so that's where they can find you.
Yeah.
Put draw a little line where they can find you.
Right here.
Right there.
Right there.
All right, bubbles to burpees. What do you think of the event so far?
So fun.
So fun,
What's better than
sweating,
starting out with a workout with friends and new friends?
sweating,
Sweating.
good vibes. Where
Yeah.
else can they find you in Boston?
Seaport Sweat outside in the Seaport.
For how long is that? How long?
Till mid-October.
Ooh, okay,
They're
get
fun.
out there.
Yeah.
I gotta
free.
come.
It's free fitness with a live
I gotta
DJ.
come,
It's so
yep.
fun. And
Uh-huh.
Lifetime Fitness in Burlington, Tuesday nights.
Yo,
It's Lifetime. We're
lifetime
buddies.
buddies.
Yeah.
Yep. Get after her, all right? Look
Yeah.
for her.
Woo.
Let's get it.
Sometimes slower is better.
Uh-oh. Y'all a lot better than me.
I think that's
Represent the vixen, the fiction. Represent.
fancy. All right,
Represent the fiction on
here
me.
we go. History making.
Let's go. Uh-oh. Okay. Yo, vixens are watching, girl. Vixens are watching.
All right.
Come
I'll
on.
try again.
For the vixens.
Just gutters.
All right. For the vixens. You gotta say for the vixens.
Oh yeah.
There you
That's
go.
the one.
All right, tribe, so just like that, the day is done. So right now I'm going to leave the links to everybody who showed up and represented. Their Instagram handles are going to be in the description. So go show them some love, tell them that your boy sent you, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and holla.